this is Marie-France Garon. I'm with Juliette Garon. Welcome to Healthy Cooking for Food Lovers. This is my brother's house, my brother's kitchen. And today we're gonna make an Indian tofu. And this is one of your favorites?
Yes.
Aha! And sometimes you help your father to make it, huh? So Juliette was helping me to do all the preparation, all the chopping and everything. And now it's just all ready to put together. So what do we have? We have onion, 2 big white onions. How many carrots complete?
4.
We had 4 carrots. We have 2 big cans of chickpeas. We have some tomato, ginger, lots of butter, right? That's a lot, but it's delicious. And some garlic. So we're gonna start putting this all together. It doesn't take long, huh? Dinner together. Thank you for helping me to prepare and chop everything. That was quick.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks. And also we have 2 packets of tofu here. So we're gonna start with that. Martin is coming to help. So this is the Indian tofu casserole. That's my brother's recipe. I tried it the other day and it is delicious. So we're just making it together. Today we're in Martin's kitchen here. And he's gonna show us how to make this recipe. It's quite simple. So we start with the tofu?
Yeah, because it's the longest time to make it crispy.
For make it crispy. Cook it for about 20 minutes.
Exactly.
Okay, so the tofu is happening here in this pan. And now we're gonna start frying the onion in our other pan while this is happening. So all together.
So a bit of butter with the onion. That's
okay.
it.
2 big white onions.
Let's shake the tofu a bit.
So tofu, it takes a little bit, but I can see some bits starts to be a little bit brown. It's time to add the carrots to the onion now. So we have 4 carrots here.
Okay, good.
Voila. All in with the onions. Adding a little bit of salt to our vegetable here, the pink Himalayan salt, of course. Now to the onions and the carrot, we are adding the tomato, 1 big can of tomato, and they are diced, so it's gonna mix, perfectly with our carrots and onions. Okay. So here we have green curry paste and also yellow curry paste. So we'll add that 1 teaspoon of each. So, okay. In here, with the tomato and the onion, like this, a big one.
Oh yeah, good.
Yeah. So that smells amazing. Now we have some fennel and we have some fresh fennel that we chopped. You can use the dry one, of course, it's perfect as well, but since we have the fresh one, we use the fresh one.
One will be the
chickpeas.
chickpeas.
Okay, all of that. Is it ready now?
Ready.
Okay, let's go. Next will be the curry powder, in with the tofu and the chickpeas. 2 teaspoons we're gonna put.
Good.
Tell me about this cream that you use.
it's soya cream instead of regular cream, 15% or 35%.
Yeah.
It's just
Made of soya.
Yeah, exactly.
Non-GMO, gluten-free, organic, plant-based.
it's for people who want to cook vegan.
Vegan, yeah. Okay. Excellent. So we put the two, huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah? Okay. Okay, we have like one big bunch of fresh fennel with the tofu and the chickpeas. All the fennel here. So all the onions and the carrots with the tomato, that goes all together with the tofu and the chickpeas. And this is gonna simmer for a few minutes, 5 or 10 minutes. And that's it. That's our recipe. Oh, it smells nice. I can feel the spices too. Yeah.
We can put the cream.
Good. Ah, the cream makes it, huh?
Yeah, with a bit of pepper.
Oh, now it smells nice. I bet it tastes even better the next day when you heat it up again, the next time you eat it.
Yeah.
For 10 minutes.
For 10 minutes about, yeah.
Excellent. Et voilà, we have the Indian tofu casserole by Marie-France Garon, and we serve it with some hot naan bread. Smells amazing. Can't wait to try. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.